Thank you all so much, so much for being here. And I came up with a 2022 idea that I think is going to be helpful to everyone that watches my videos and hopefully bring in some subscribers and some likes and some comments on what I can do to be helping you guys. So I have here with me a book written by Dave Ramsey. The book's name is Financial Peace. 7 baby steps to get you guys from, saving your first $1,000 up to having financial freedom, financial wealth, financial peace. We're gonna go through them all. We're gonna help you guys get there. I have personally already started. I'm quite a few steps in already, but I was also ahead of life when I started reading the book. So we're just gonna go over the first step in this video so we make it short. First step: save up to $1,000. So why 1,000? 1,000 is a pretty good, rough number. That if you guys saved up to $1,000 and then something bad happened to you guys, $1,000 would be an emergency fund if you guys needed to fix your car or was behind on a bill or something like that. The $1,000 is going to make a huge difference in your life. I personally I have bought a few big ticket items and have always judged my buying power on $1,000 less than I actually have. So if I have $10,000, I actually have $9,000 to spend because I want to keep that $1,000 in the bank, in cash, whatever. I think he mentions to have it in cash. I want to say that he says to have it in cash in his book. I don't remember that for sure, but I will go through and double check. So save that $1,000 and just don't touch it because that will be your go-to emergency fund. So if you guys want to see part 2, baby step part 2, please leave a like and subscribe. And just mention that this helped you. And like I said once again, Dave Ramsey, Financial Peace. I really recommend you guys go out there, get that book, and read it throughout 2022. Happy New Year's, everybody.